Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new wallet account on the Liquidus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquidus Wallet application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the Create New Wallet as well as the Sign In option. Tap on Create New Wallet option and now accept the terms and conditions. Tap on Confirm and this will show you the 12-word recovery phrase that you will need to store safely in order to access your account later in the future. Make sure to save this recovery phrase in a safe location so that you can access it later. After you have saved it, tap on the Confirm button and now you will be asked to enter the recovery phrases that you have just been given in their correct order. After entering all of the words in the correct order, tap on the Confirm button and once again accept the terms and conditions. Finally, you will be asked to enter your email address. This is optional as you don't need to register with your email. You can tap on the Skip button and now you will be allowed to set up a PIN code for your account. Type in your desired PIN and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now your account has successfully been created. All that's left to do is verify your account, after which you can start making your transactions and begin to deposit and withdraw cash as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Liquidus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.